I really like Zinobiotic. It seems like a simple product, but it's really elegant. The design behind it it's beautiful. It's a blend of a lot of different prebiotic fibers. Now the prebiotic fibers, what they do is they feed the probiotic species of bacteria that live in your gut. You have some probiotic species inside you, and if you give them what they need, they thrive, they multiply. But you need different prebiotics to do that. Because these fibers, they get into the large bowel, you don't digest them, they pass through the small intestine intact, get into the large bowel, and then they start to be broken down by the probiotic species in a reaction that's basically a sort of a fermentation. So what we're doing is we're restoring these compounds back into the diet, restoring a healthy microbiome, and producing gram-positive bacteria, which have a really interesting conversation with the cells that line the gut. Basically, they're producing compounds which say, be healthy.